And all I feel is blue. Black.
Hello and welcome back to Execute Codes. Today, the topic of our video is how you can make your folder as a drive and use it as a drive. Or you can say you can use it as a shortcut from your My Computer drive. So it's very simple to make a folder as a drive and use it. So let's begin with our today's video. So now I will tell you how you can do this. So first of all, you need to go to your desktop, or on the desktop you need to make a folder. So I will just show you and make a folder. I will name it as drive folder and I'll just press enter. Now the folder has to be in C drive. So I have choose the location as the desktop because it will be okay here. So and now in the drive folder you need to have some data. So here I have some apps. So I will just put these apps over here. So just drag and put and move to this folder. So here you will see that there are many apps over here. So now let's convert this folder into a drive. So now just go to your start button and go to your computer. Over here do it as full screen and then at the top you will see some options. You will see as organize, system properties, uninstall or change a program, map network drive and open control panel. So from these options you need to go to map network drive and click on that. Now what network folder would you like to map? So specify the letter for the connection and the folder that you want to connect to. So you can choose any from here drives. There are so many drives given here. So you can choose any. I will choose the, for example, as P drive and the folder. So you need to now browse your folder. So just click on browse. Now here you will see that it is in network and in network it has taken only admin PC. So it means that you cannot access data from D or E drive. So you need to have data in C drive. So I will just go to admin PC, users, then admin. Then from here I will scroll down and go to desktop. Here you can see. So I have saved my folder to desktop. Here from I will select the drive folder and click on OK. So after clicking on OK, you will see that the path has come here. And you can see now you have some options here, reconnect and log on and connect using different channels. So you need to just take the default one, which is reconnect and log on, and then just click on finish. And then when you click on finish, you need to just you will see that window will appear, say all your previous apps, and just close it. And here you can see the drive folder admin, and here you can say this space free is nearby 18 GB and total size is 92.6 GB. So it has just created a virtual hard drive, and using this you can just make a shortcut. So when you open this, it will just pop up with this with your previous folder window. So using these commands you can create a shortcut on your My Computer main screen, or also make a virtual hard drive in the network. So now if you want to remove this, just select the drive folder which you have and then right click. Here go to and just click on disconnect. So when you click on disconnect, it will pop will some error. You need to just click on yes, and now it will be removed. Yeah, and here you can see this one, it has been removed. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to other people who need it. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.